So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in SNDVOL. Click on it. Once we're here, make sure that the web browser that you want to play your YouTube video on is turned up and it's not muted. See if that works. You can also play around with the audio. For the next method, go to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. Scroll down and then select more sound settings. Once this comes up, you want to find your speakers, double click on it. Then you want to go to enhancements. You want to select disable all enhancements and then click on apply. See if that works. If not, then just reset it again. So untick it, apply, and OK. For the next method, just simply refresh your YouTube web page. For the next method, we're going to clear the YouTube site data. In the top left, click right here where it says View Site Information. This button right here. Then you want to select Site Settings. Once this comes up, it's going to be saying Usage. Next to it, it might be saying Delete Data. You want to click on it and then click on Delete. Then you want to click on Reset Permissions and then click on Reset. Now we're going to go back to YouTube. Then you want to click on Reload. See if that works. For the next method, unplug your speakers or your headset and then plug it back in again. For the last method, restart your computer, come back into Windows and then see if that works.